Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Quick question before we dive in today. If you had the chance to move abroad completely free, no proof of funds, no huge bank statement, no thousands locked away in savings, would you grab it? And here's the twist, not only can you relocate for free, but your CV alone could open the door. You send it, get shortlisted, and within 3 weeks, you could be on the plane, starting fresh in one of the richest, safest, and the most stable countries in the world. Now, before I reveal the country and the exact process, let me warn you, these opportunities don't stay open forever. They are often snapped up because they are simple, they are real, and they cut out a lot of the struggles people usually face with visas. So stick with me to the end because today I'll walk you step by step through which jobs are currently available with visa sponsorships, the sectors that are hiring foreigners right now, exactly how you can apply, including where to send your CV, and how this process can take you from where you are right now to living and working in Europe's wealthiest hidden gem. And before we go deep, let's get interactive. Drop me a comment below with this. Would you relocate abroad if you didn't need proof of funds? Just type yes in the comments if your answer is yes. I'll be looking out for you. Alright, let's begin. Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. If you are new here, you are very much welcome. My name is Peace, and on this channel I share everything relocation that will help you live, study and work abroad. So feel free to subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Drop a thought in the comment section. I respond to all of them. Like this video so that YouTube can promote it to a wider audience. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know how we do it here. Real info, verified links. Thank you for always coming back to watch the video. So let's dive right back in, okay? Here's of something a lot of people don't realize. For decades, moving abroad has always sounded like luxury. Countries ask for bank statements, blocked accounts, proof of 10,000 euros or more just sitting untouched. And for many, that was the end of the dream. But right now, in 2025, the rules are shifting. Europe is facing labor shortages in key industries, from hospitality to caregiving, constructions to IT supports, retail to logistics. Companies are literally unable to fill roles, and when that happens, they open their doors to foreign talent. Now, let me emphasize this. This isn't one of those too good to be true stories. These are legit employers, verified on government job portals, recruiting international workers with full visa sponsorship. And the cherry on top, some employers cover relocation costs, meaning you don't pay for the visa process, you don't buy your own ticket, and in some cases, you are even supported with temporary accommodation on arrival. Imagine starting life in a country where the average salary is over 3,000 euro per month. Healthcare is universal, education is top tier, and you are surrounded by a culture that values safety, family, and quality of life. Does it sound like a dream? Let's keep going. So, where exactly is this opportunity? Here's a clue. It's a tiny country in Europe, but don't let the size fool you. It's consistently ranked as one of the wealthiest nations in the world per capita. It has 3 official languages, French, German, and Luxembourgish. But English is widely used, especially in the workplace. And here's the kicker. Because of its size and booming economy, it relies heavily on foreign workers. In fact, nearly half of the workforce are foreigners. Yes, you guessed it. We are talking about Luxembourg. This little country, sandwiched between Belgium, France, and Germany, is opening its doors wider than ever. It's not just for bankers and lawyers. In 2025, Luxembourg is offering real opportunities for skilled and unskilled workers alike. So whether you're a caregiver, a construction worker, a truck driver, a retail assistant, or even looking for hospitality roles, Luxembourg might just be your ticket abroad. But let's not stop at theory. Let's break down the actual jobs and how we can apply. Here's the exciting part. These are the sectors in Luxembourg urgently hiring with visa sponsorship in 2025. Sector 1. Caregiving and healthcare. With an aging population, Luxembourg needs caregivers, nursing assistants, healthcare support staff. You don't always need a degree, but experience and compassion can go a long way. Employers provide visa sponsorship, training, and in some cases, accommodation. Sector 2. Hospitality and tourism. Think about hotel staff, waiters, chef, housekeeping. With Luxembourg's steady inflow of tourists and business travelers, these roles are constantly open. Many come with contract offers and relocation packages. Sector 3. Logistics and driving. Truck drivers, delivery workers, warehouse assistants. Because Luxembourg is a transport hub in Europe, logistic roles are always in high demand. Sector 4. Retail and sales. Supermarkets, stores, and chains are short on workers. Foreign applicants are welcome, and jobs often require basic English or French. Sector 5. Construction and skilled trades. These are for the electricians, plumbers, builders, and general laborers are being recruited from abroad. So here's what makes this even more attractive. Salaries are significantly higher compared to many other European countries. For example, caregivers can earn 2,500 to 3,000 euros per month. Hospitality staff can earn around 2,000 to 2,008 per month. Truck drivers often cross around 3,000 euros per month with overtime. Okay, and remember, Luxembourg has no minimum wage loophole. The government enforces a strong minimum wage. As of 2025, that's 2,570 euros per month for unskilled workers and 3,085 for skilled workers. Okay, that means even the lowest paying jobs guarantee you a solid living. Alright, so how do you turn this from a YouTube video into your actual life? Here's the step by step and how to apply. Step 1. Prepare a strong CV. Make it simple but professional. Focus on experience even if it's informal. For example, if you cared for a family member, that's a caregiving experience. Add languages, even if it's just English basics, okay? CV guidance and relocation tips are for my level 3 channel members, which is the Peace Elevators, okay? So you can join now if you want me to help you with the CV preparation, okay? Step 2, where to apply. You can apply through the following links I'll be providing in my description, okay? Make sure you look for it in my description, okay? These platforms listed in my description list jobs that are open to foreign applicants with visa sponsorship. Step 3, send your CV directly to employers. Most jobs ads have an apply now button. Attach your CV, write a short cover letter, and click send. Some employers even offer fast-track relocation where they handle your visa within weeks. Step 4, relocation timeline. Once you are accepted, your employer applies for your work permit. You receive your visa approval letter. From there, it can take as little as 3 to 6 weeks before you're on your way. So yes, bestie, it's entirely possible to send your CV today and relocate in just 3 weeks. Let's zoom out for a second. Why should you even consider Luxembourg? These are the following reasons you should think about the country, okay? Safety. This is one of the lowest crime rates in Europe. Salaries. They are among the highest average salaries in the EU. Healthcare. Universal and top quality. Diversity. Nearly half the population are foreigners, so you won't feel out of place. Central location. You can travel to Paris, to Brussels or Frankfurt in under 2 hours. And here's a little bonus. Many employers in Luxembourg don't demand proof of funds because your job contract itself is a proof that you can support yourself. Okay? That's why I said earlier, no block accounts, no 10,000 euros requirement. Your CV is enough to open the door. So now, here's your action plan, what you do right now after watching this video. Update your CV tonight. Go to the verified links I'll leave in the description. Apply directly to jobs with visa sponsorship. Stay ready because once you get that offer, things move very quickly. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Which of these sectors would you apply for first? Caregiving, hospitality, logistics, retail, or constructions? I'll be engaging with as many of you as possible in the comments. And besties, don't sleep on this. Opportunities like this don't stay open forever. Luxembourg may be small, but it's mighty when it comes to salaries and opportunities for foreigners. So, if you've been waiting for a sign to finally move abroad without the stress of proof of funds, this is your sign. Send that CV, take the leap, and I'll see you on the other side. A big shout out to all my amazing channel members. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Because of you, I'm able to keep bringing life-changing job opportunities and resources every week. I appreciate you deeply. And if you'd like to join the family and enjoy exclusive perks like free CV and cover letter templates, just click the join button below this video. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed, and as always, I'm rooting for you. Remember, Jesus loves you and I love you too. Bye for now.